So, Red, have you calmed down? Yes, I think I have, Icebird. Uh, well, good. Yeah, I think I didn't do it now. I was just going crazy a little bit. Hey, how do you notice that King Pig is missing? Oh, that guy. I think he stole Chuck. I told him to stay there in the interrogation room, but he didn't listen. He went away for whatever. I think he's working with, or is, the marketing guy. Well, let's not jump to conclusions. Yeah, maybe he was just stolen too, Red. Oh, no, he wasn't. I know him. He would betray us for a cake. He probably wanted a 1x1 centimeter of cake. It might seem small, but I think he did it. I'm going to write an angry letter to him right now. Here, here, here. Ah! Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Hurt. What are you doing here? Who are you? Hey! Where'd Jeb go? I think he's off. Scared. Get him! Oh my gosh. Is it gone? Is it gone now? Yeah, I think so. Wait, what was that? Probably that guy. Ooh. Well, I'm glad didn't get any of us. Who was that though? I mean, I couldn't see a body behind it. Yeah. King Big Baby? No, I think he maybe got trapped by. I mean, it was like 3 or I guess 2 against 1. Maybe King Pig came out of nowhere too. Maybe came out of nowhere for King Pig. Or maybe Red's right. Maybe he is the culprit. Whoa! 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 No. What? No, you don't. No, you don't. Are you okay, Jeb? Are you okay? I froze that stick for a little bit, so it should be fine. What is this thing? I don't know. But I don't like it. Okay. Wonder if Red knows what it is. Hey guys, I'm angry now. Oh. Man, you just missed the most weirdest thing I've ever saw in my life. Yeah, it almost got me. What is it? A knock hockey stick. Probably from the bad guy here that stole Chuck and King Pig. You really think this thing stole King Pig? I mean, I think King Pig did it. It's possible. But we don't have 100% proof, Red. Yeah. I say we track these fingerprints. Really? You will never find out who it really is. Here.